Fatma Jinnah Women University has been founded in 1998 in the premises of the old presidency situated in Rawalpindi. It is the first women university which is established to raise more educated women. Its vision is to arise and innovate for the sustainable future by promoting higher education, research, collaboration and community engagement to achieve societal empowerment. There are total 25 departments with around 4,500 students from a diverse of background and cultures. Department of Sociology has been established in 2016 and offering 4-year bachelor's and 2 years MPhil degree. These programs will offer students various opportunities to develop and apply those skills through research and experiential learning activities in the Pakistani society, where the students can get a chance to enhance their knowledge related to the society. The head of the department has the great abilities to manage and lead by cooperating with the staff and students. The faculty members of the department have the great skills of teaching. They are always willing to increase students' enthusiasm and self-confidence with the regular classes. Different workshops, seminars, events are conducted that provide an opportunity to know, analyze and discuss different ideas and concepts. Sociology Department of Fatma Jinnah Women University provides an opportunity to become a good citizen. It is a department who train a student about the true meanings of humanity through social theories, research and analytical perspective, because sociology is all about humans. Becoming a sociologist is the best way to always remember about culture, because Sociology Department of Fatma Jinnah Women University always motivates students about doing projects and works about their culture and heritage. In just 5 years, the department has been able to get the variety of rewards and honors. The best achievement of the Sociology Department is to establish the Sustainable Development Goals Wall in collaboration with SSTO and ORE and rising the number of active citizens every year. Sociology Department have maintained the excellent teaching and training even in the pandemic of COVID-19 by turning into the online mode. Because of the online education system developed by Fatma Jinnah Women University and also the efforts of the HOD and faculty, students were getting rid of all the difficulties and continue their education from home, attend the online meetings, seminars and workshops. Active citizens of 2020 also engaged with community online. During the pandemic, SOPs are being strictly followed in the university. The 2 batches have been graduated from Sociology Department of Fatma Jinnah Women University with the excellent grades.